also asked for the second video was to do my eyebrow video. I be looking at myself and I be like, yo, my eyebrows really ain't that popping. But y'all be saying it is. I get so many compliments on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna hit you guys with the video that y'all keep on asking me, my mom, my sister, shoot, even my dog. I'm gonna give it to you because I feel like it's just time. It's just time to reveal my secret. I really don't have a secret. I be messing up with my eyebrows actually, and I just be trying to cover it up. But you know, I ain't no expert. I ain't no expert in makeup. I really am not. I really don't wear that much makeup. I really just wear foundation, eyebrows, mascara, concealer, and chapstick. That's literally all I wear. Or contour. That's it. I don't like eyeshadow. I don't like lipstick. Especially red. I don't like red lipstick. You can ask my mom, you can ask my sister, you can ask my grandma, you can ask whoever you want. I don't like red lipstick at all. I don't even like lipstick. I don't wear it. If it ain't glossy, I don't want it. Sorry. But if it ain't glossy, I don't want it. I hate the feeling of me having dry lips. It just, when I wear lipstick, it just makes me feel like, you know, it just made me feel like my lips are crusting up, you know, they're peeling. It just is a bad feeling for me. I don't like crusty lips. I don't like mine to look crusty. So, I don't wear lipstick. Never have I, never will I, not in the future, no. I might wear shadow one day, but ain't no time soon. Maybe prom, special occasions I'll wear eyeshadow. Especially in case my mom makes me wear lipstick. I don't argue with it, but every day I do my eyebrows, you know, gotta keep them flick of the wrist. Look at them flick of that wrist. Anyway, let's just get into this video with the eyebrows. So as you can see, this is what my eyebrows look right now, okay? This is how I went to school, okay? As you can see, one is not arched, one is, you know, it's whatever. So I'm about to wipe one off for y'all, so I can just go ahead and do this for y'all. Your eyebrows are not supposed to be twins, they're supposed to be sisters. So like if you look at me and my sister, we don't look, oh actually people say we look just like twins. But like I was saying, your eyebrows are not supposed to be twins. They're supposed to be sisters, not twins. Sisters, not twins though. I'm sorry if I'm like so not in it. I'm like totally looking behind the camera into the actual mirror to wipe this eyebrow off. So like I was saying, your eyebrows are not supposed to be sisters. They're not supposed to be sisters, they're supposed to be twins. No, they're supposed to be twins, not sisters. Okay, so also guys, like don't mind my my hair. I have to wash it. I know I have flakes in the front of my hair, my front of the head. I have to wash my hair today, sadly. I hate wash day for my hair. First thing that I do, oh god, is I outline it. Don't gotta be perfect, you know, just outline it. Hello, nosy neighbors. How are you doing today? Good? Me too. Okay, so I don't know if that's filled in all the way. No, it's not. And you just, you know, you just do the shape of your eyebrow. And then I like to put, you know, little flares in the front. And then brush it on out, you know, mix the front end with the rest of it. And that's what it should look like, guys. I'm done. After I do that, you get your concealer, right? You get your concealer, okay? You put some of that concealer on your hand. I don't use a brush because, you know, I'm not a makeup artist. You know, Jada's just too Jada to do that. Yeah, I said that. Jada's too Jada to do that. So then you're just gonna, this is how I prefer to do it. This is how I get my eyebrows, how I like them. And you just gonna do this. I know it looks like I have a lot of concealer on my finger. I mean, on my eyebrow, but I really don't. It's just, you know, an amount of blending. You know, blending is your best friend. You know, it wouldn't be a smoothie if you didn't blend it. It wouldn't. Ooh. Ooh la la. And then you just do the bottom too. Mind you guys, I'm doing this from a far away mirror, so like it's not gonna be perfect. And then it's like, you know, after I finish this, you know, I'm actually gonna go wash my face and I'm gonna take this makeup off and I'm gonna take a nap because I've been wearing this all day and my face just, you know, wants to breathe. But you know, I did this. I think I messed up. But you know, I did this for you guys. I did this for you. Trust me, I did this for you. Only you. Just you. Yeah, I did mess up. It's okay. I'll fix it in a minute. Okay, so after, you know, that's done, you know, you're just gonna blend that together. Okay, so I messed up in my eyebrow. I got concealer on my actual eyebrow. And then I'm just gonna trace back over the bottom line. And boom. My eyebrow's done. It's not perfectionist because I also did this from a faraway mirror, but I tried my best, guys. Hopefully you liked it. So that's how I do my eyebrows on a daily basis. As you can see, this one actually looks kind of dancey because my hair has been like in my face, so like it's my hair has been kind of like bothering it. So yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows every day, guys. Nothing special, but you know, your girl's ready to take a nap now. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's channel. Don't forget to add me on Snapchat at J2Fly166. Don't forget to add me on Instagram. It's J6A's2Ys. I will add back if you were the first 10 adders. Anyway, you guys have a good day, and bye my little baby Chanel people. It's gotta stick. It's gotta stick, I know it is.